Want to get such super amazing pictures clicked in the Maldives? But what will it cost? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, we are going to look at some of the luxury hotels and resorts where some of our Bollywood celebs had spent their vacation in 2020. Diving into the first hotel, where Tiger Shroff showed off his body flexing his muscles, the Intercontinental. This resort is on an island that can be reached via seaplane from the main airport. Rumored girlfriend of Tiger, Disha Patani, also shared some hot pictures on her Instagram, but she didn't mention any location or hotel name. But if we see this picture of the Intercontinental, we see a lighthouse in the background which is exactly the same seen in her photo. You now know with whom she had spent her holiday with. If we look at the price in a non-peak season for a booking 2 months ahead, a room at this hotel would cost approximately 1,08,000 per night with breakfast and dinner included. Okay, the second resort that we will look is where this funny video was shot.
6 months past, I came this Glamour Hindi, this news magazine. It was like a bikini shoot.
Which shoot?
Bikini shoot. Bikini.
LOL. And this property is by none other than the Indian hotel chain Taj. It consists of many water villas, and it's this place where Bollywood actor Taapsee Pannu spent her vacation with her sisters and captured some super cool moments from her time there, like this one, ringing the bell. Do they really use these for calling out their guests? Price per night here would cost at least rupees 1 lakh for a lagoon villa. Third hotel on the list is the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. This is the resort where newly married actress Kajal Agarwal spent her honeymoon with her husband Gautam Kichlu, who is an entrepreneur. Prices for various room types are around rupees 1 lakh per night. But hey, Kajal and her husband stayed at the special The Murakka Underwater Villa. Prices for which, what I could get from the internet search, is at an unbelievable 50,000 US dollars a night. That's 37 lakhs. Next, we are going to look at the W Maldives, which was awarded amongst the top 10 hotels in Maldives, and which was chosen by new Bollywood actress Tara Saturia for her birthday celebration. The design and vibe of the hotel seems very uber. Room prices for a night start around 2,500 US dollars. Moving on, another one known as the Lux Star South Airy Atoll. Seems like a huge resort with numerous water villas, restaurants, spa and facilities, and the one chosen by actress Rakul Preet Singh for her Maldivian vacation. See here, each villa has its own private pool. You see Rakul here doing yoga on the beach, and I want to especially mention that this was a family holiday. What a great way to spend time with the family with such views from your room. A water villa at this hotel would cost around rupees 85,000 a night. And we keep the best for the last. Soneva Fushi, an ultra luxury resort from the Soneva hotel chain, which I looked into is founded by an Indian. Look at the design of their water villa. Imagine going to this villa on a boat, heading upstairs on the deck, and then going straight into the ocean via the water slide on the right. One thing to note here is that Maldives can provide you some out of this world sunset views. So this is the resort chosen by bigger stars Katrina Kaif and Varun Dhawan when they went to Maldives this year. Check out the common area of the hotel. I'm really impressed with the design of this property. It totally stands out from the others. Okay, fine. What about the money? Well, the cheapest option is at more than rupees 2 lakhs a night. And as we move to better options, the asking price increases, of course. And to the one with the water slide that we saw before, costing almost north of rupees 4 lakhs a night. I assume these prices are inclusive of other cool activities at the resort, which you can see Varun doing here. Whether it's boxing, water skiing, or scuba diving. For sure by now, we know that if you've got the moolah, you can have the time of your life in this country. Thanks guys for making till the end. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please press that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Urban Mapper to know more about such awesome places in this world through Google Maps.